Right, and then you yama obibia kwa babio and famra say oba network as usual me show oba don't forget say oba subscribe na fe onso wetima share na ode amonya na fonia etimi a share jumani bi ama bibia enso etimi akosue a anya sem twemre ye the exclusive ayaboabo no ehon sem ana ede era besom ewo jumade ne so na fe etimi ama bibia re enso etimi akokama na confirm dem am say Asante Kotoko enche na official announcement de eni na musa chese eno so eba enya sem keto enra ama ye hu omo official page say we Asante Kotoko supporter na twa honhom no na esan say ade papa bi enam kwanso eno so eba a eba beboa ama Asante Kotoko ayre enso etimi afa ne to apayre enso etimi fra na mami fonti John Former say Asante Kotoko training session eno so etimi koso. And good news, and I'm not saying some people here na omujidia na ewo mumu for the last season, you know, and the way fans everything kala. Our performance na day, and so etima peta. Me mpa boni say players na nkasa bede, and so betimi our performance so na for season abebe remu no. Etimi afa ne to apa and so etimi fra. Na media to just ade ba kwa ehia pa no se season e bewrami Asante Kotoko board no ebetimi enya otwen honhom Asante Kotoko supporters ebetimi enya otwen honhom afi omo a club na nkasa esom nsa e okokom ni nya no omo besoma ede etimi enya twem se de betimi aboa ama club no etimi afa ne to apa enso timi fra and pedi Asante Kotoko no confidence there makase me wogidie pa se empaifa kase enim de omo Asante Kotoko form pay fan kasa de enim de omo de omo so eye ene na beto dwa se abante fen se David Ibrahim enso tima tache de AJ asese onu tim na kasa de enso eye training ye nyina be gia tum se Asante Kotoko goalkeepers no de ba kwa issues na de ewo ye pa and after sa abante fen se Muhammad Kamara ekoye no ye nyina be gia tum se in fact so kasa do woni to Aziz Haruna Dari so okasa wodi woni to abantia ye fe ne se eye Chum Benjamin eniso a yanhwe ya na fe season ababewremu no yentimi anfe to apere enso entimi enfra na mame fonto John Former wo se Asante Kotoko any new goalkeepers bi din ko behind the scene pato tiemie me confirm some story e dia ma wo se Asante Kotoko form paying for any goalkeepers din ko behind the scene na jama picking say the foreign goalkeeper ayade ba ko asat na me no kasai e da Asante Kotoko table so foreign goalkeeper ayade ba ko e da Asante Kotoko omo table so and I can confirm you to say new goalkeeper and I me no kasa Asante Kotoko any 18 komo latest by next week they may pick say bibia answer sa goalkeeper no ere enso ebetimi aba Demeten every Mali ana demeten say sa goalkeeper de enso betima bana fe obebe fe djuma no enso etimi ade enso etimaye because enemeno ka say goalkeeper so moy untimi enkanyu dalan enfem fine Asante Kotoko etimi enya David Ibrahima e solid because of ne niema obeye pen eniema David Ibrahim aye pen e dia kire no obi no betima downplay abranche fe say David Ibrahim performance awa Asante Kotoko Obian ense so da and a bit difficult so we bet my damn prayer branch first David Ibrahim ni modern boy Asante Kotoko maybe a chum if oko Ethiopia coffee crown yenye modern boy David Ibrahim ekoko da na di Aziz Haruna die of Benjamin United you don't bet me about but oberu Asante Kotoko entiman tentam chum untimi for no two chums because last season twami one match difficult say benya branch chum so bet me enso etimenya biada Dise Kotoko goalkeeper omo di beba I understand he defense Asante Kotoko defense what I say ninya nia emperifor den enso so betima because I can confirm it to sa branch first Musa Hamzata wa akwa Asante Kotoko training ground so obegia to me say Musa Hamzata open one of the players and no cast omo solid pa Edema or reference I would think la our defense on Hamzata and the decay. The Hamzata by or before Asante Kotoko in Sembebre. Emana supporters kasa so no Hamzat enye defend betimi ne atono so but me mpa me bo ene se Hamzat gidi ya coach enya no mu no obetimi de etimi da konanim enya ne me mpa bo eno ne mpa ya de bia me so ya me bo Zakaria Hussein solid maybe you time esadan kwa Asante Kotoko ni ye de bia ete da bia so be no confidence yet ho ejuma some players be aye under a retinkla no minim say because of matter say betime ja bi kwan ne dia and a confirmation me mentim enkyere but say entesa na players na kasa e showcase performance we dia and a season aba bewura mi we Asante Kotoko supporter nyamu gidie nyamu gidie say na ma be de enso betima yeye say na ma be de enema enso betima yeye season there the coach of Evertinkler and the director of football ne there you know mu gidie akwa blasters players no yako work up na gidie ni ho but because of the coach obefa adwuma no eye no yenya mu gidie say obebetima adwuma no under Evertinkler fine baby na pese aduru yentima anreche baby na pese aduru yentimi anreche but eno nye case ye gina so de etime akase bia blasters ne ko ye no enyama hyana ntentan bia sa tino Tinkler bay ebe solid now the AJ project and me no ka say the shape and AJ project no atikino in fact a different videos me gusu no AJ project ni me dey egusu a we enjoy no uku currencies abrofo adwuma no a different so that means like abrofo na ma dia that means campaign for want to contain an kra no e bia ko be tache beneshe adakwaja achwe massive improvement and ekoso massive improvement and ekoso and Evertinkler and director of football which is Salimenzo and the new board yentimi nkanyi board no frame because transfers ekoso behind the scene e kan wasami se bia ka Asante Kotoko de omusika nya kwese transfers e bia ka AJ project no yentimi enko ho e bia ka AJ project no yentimi enko ho ye container nya ko project ye container ko pitch no and a Media Sporting Club and I found no and a media man and a say Media Matum and a meno say ya Media Sporting Club at Matum I Media Stadium TNA ya Jatum se Kotoko timi ye project ni e dakoda chia still betima e mini stadium bia e betima host bibi ho na supporters aba stadium awa behwe matches baba eji honum ajaze eno ye nyina de ye hye eno na ye de ye hye enanyumre unofficially Asante Kotoko campaign for our bonten say ose akwaba David Obeng Nyarko, welcome back to Asante Kotoko family. We are delighted to have you rejoin the club as a brand and partnership manager. David Obeng Nyarko, welcome. Into story be your fear say what is a past management in Ebiaba? Emmanuel Nyawano. And America so reference David Obeng Nyarko Asante Kotoko campaign for a confirm see America said here where your brands and partnership manager at the club no where a done deal confirm Asante Kotoko campaign for Ankasa de Ediaba Bonten this is here the HD to the statement of Modoba Enra say afena kom ebebie Kotoko club nim ebe gauge supporters infrastructure would ebe nyina no and America campaign for confirm and David appointment to Obiano Masabi fine ebinum support it but you could clearly see say so David Obeng Nyarko as a branch manager improvement club no ebefa no to apply the enso timefra the improvement ebefa club no ebefa no to apply the enso timefra And I can confirm it to you. Se papa wa bay, obetima ya Asante Kotoko adwuma no. Obetima de etima ya Asante Kotoko adwuma no. Yemfa empire bo enta na chi. Na sa appointment of David Obeng Nyarko entimi nyere entumpon. Amema kiru baako. I would think about ni interview we nyina no. David Obeng Nyarko na de interview no te voice no. Oya adwuma behind the scene. And that is David Obeng Nyarko. And then you may pay for this appointment about 4 minutes ago. You don't want some at the atom. And so, don't forget to subscribe and if you want to share.